Hello class, I am Manish. I of course welcome you in my YouTube channel Chorus Mathematics 2.0. According to my channel, today I want to introduce you finding missing one, which is of course dependent on reasoning classes. There has been a question which represented on your faceboard, and there has been three circles in one part and of course repeated in second part and third part. We have to find out what will be your next number coming from your third part of third circle. First of all, we have to understood how has been written this number in these boxes. When 15 added 19, then we got 34. Okay. When 15 added 19, then we got 34. Okay. 49 we added 13, then we got 62. Okay. Then we can of course write for the third column 36 will be added 26, then we can of course got for the third circle of third part according to the place of what. According to the place of what, we can of course write equal to 62. Okay, understand? Whereas I hope you may better understand. According to your next question, there has been three triangle and written two outside of number and one inside number. 2 and 3 will be outside of first triangle, but 3 will be inside number. Okay, and same triangle will be repeated of this number. We have to find out of the third part of triangle inside number. What will be your next number repeated and written inside the third triangle number? Okay, we have to of course find out according to the place of what. First of all, we have to understand how has been written this number inside and outside of this number according to the triangle. When 2 multiply 3, then we got 6, and 6 divided by 2, then we can of course got 3. Okay, we have to understood at here outside number multiplied and divided by 2, then we got inside number 3. We of course repeated the second triangle outside number 4 multiplied 5 divided by 2, then we got of course the middle number 10. Then we can of course write for the third triangle 6 multiplied 7 equal to 42, and divided by 2 we can of course get according to the place of what, we can of course write at here 21. Understand? If you may better understand, according to my channel, you may of course subscribe my channel Chorus Mathematics 2.0. Okay, you may of course want to note it if you want. According to your third question, we have to understand how has been written this number inside the boxes according to the boxes of rectangle. Okay, first of all, we have to understand how has been written this number inside these boxes. When 5 multiply 4 and divided by 2, then we got 10. Okay, I can of course understood you 5 multiply 4 and divided by 2, then we get 10. I can of course want to repeat for the second column number 7 multiply 6 and divided by 3, then we got 14. Okay, then I can of course write for the third column 8 multiply 6 and divided by what equal to 12. According to the rule of board mass, what equal to 8 multiply 6 divided by 12. According to the place of what, I can of course write at here 4. Understand? It is too easy question for your common sense. If you may apply your common sense, you may of course make this question and this type of all question. It of course asked in many competitive examination. Understand? According to your next question, it has been of course repeated to the same type of question, but there has been a simple change. If you may apply your common sense, you may of course make this question, and whereas I hope, I of course want to make you that you may make all this type of question. Okay, first of all you have to understand that how has been written this question number inside the boxes into the rectangle. Okay, when 4 multiplied 2, according to the first column, 4 multiplied 2 multiplied 3, then we got 24. Okay, 4 multiplied 2 multiplied 3, we got 24. I of course want to repeat for same process for second column. 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 7, then we can of course write 105. That means 105. So according to the third column, according to the place of watt, we can of course write 6 multiplied 4 multiplied watt equal to 102. 120, that means 120. So I can of course write according to the place of watt, I want to apply the board mass rule. 120 divided by 6 multiplied 4. According to the place of watt, we can of course write 5. Understand? It is too easy for your competitive examination. You may apply all the type of board mass. Then you may of course make it. Okay, Raman, understand? Whereas your third question, your next question, I have written on your faceboard. According to your next question, there has been 3 rectangle and written some number inside it or outside it. But your third rectangle, there has been outside it 2 number, but we have to find out your mixing number inside it number. What will be your next number coming from according to the place of what? We have to understand, and then we can go. First of all, you have to understood how has been written this number outside it and inside it. A square. First of all, I want to introduce you when 3 multiplied 2, then we got 6. Okay, 12 multiplied 7, then we got 84. Okay, then we can of course write it here according to the place of what, 15 multiplied 9 equal to 135. It was too easy number. Note it. According to your next question, there has been 3 circle, and in which inside it a small circle, but written some number. A small circle outside it 4 number and inside it 1 number. But according to the your third circle, there has been a missing inside it in the small circle. Mr. Mrs. Priya, where has your attention? Your attention should be of course in your faceboard. Then you may of course got and understand this type of finding missing one. Or if your attention should be here and there, you may of course never be understand this type of reasoning. Okay. First of all, you have to understand that how is this number inside it and outside of the small circle and inside the big circle. When 2 multiplied 3 and 1 multiplied 4 and totally we multiplied it, then we got middle of a small circle. Okay, then I can of course apply the same process of the second circle. When 2 multiplied 5 and multiply 3 multiplied 4, that means 10 multiplied 12, then we can of course write 120 of, okay. When 3 multiplied 4 multiplied 5 multiplied 2, then we got middle of a small bracket. Then I can of course apply the same process for the third column of circle. I can of course write 1 multiply 6 multiply 4 multiply 2, that means 6 multiply 8, that means 48. According to the place of what, I can of course write 48. Understood? Have you any problem? Whereas I hope you may better understand. What will be your next question? You may of course tell with me and discuss. Have you any problem? This question has been asked with Miss Priya. First of all, I want to introduce you. There has been a rectangle and inside it written some number in which 9, 15, 19, 4, 5, 3, 32, 20 and 1. We have to of course understood and find that's what will be your next number coming from according to the place of what. First of all, we have to understood that how has been written this number inside the boxes, inside the rectangle. First of all, we have to apply all the method of mathematical such as addition, subtraction, divide, multiply and all the type of board mass. Then we can of course got to make this type of reasoning. First of all, I want to understood you when 9 multiply according to the first row, 9 multiplied 4, that's we can of course got 36 and subtract middle number, that means 4, then we can of course write and get 32, okay. And 15 multiply, I of course want to repeat same type and same process according to the place of second row. 15 multiply 5, then we can of course got 25 and subtract the middle number 5, then we can got 20, okay. Then I can of course apply the same process for the third row. I can of course write 19 multiply 3, I can write 57 and subtract middle number 3, then we can write 54. According to the place of what, I can of course write 54. Okay, Miss Priya, have you any problem? Understood? Whereas I hope you may better understand. If you have any complaint with me, you may of course discuss with me. Okay? Whereas I hope I of course want to introduce you all the type of reasoning such as finding missing one and my video getting to touching your heart. If you like my video too much, then you may of course subscribe my channel Chorosya Mathematics 2.0, and if you want, then you may of course, if you want to help me, then you may of course share my video and like my video. You may have any problem with me, then you may of course comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Because whereas I hope labor never goes in vain.